Hi, hello, Katrina. Welcome here in this interview. I'm happy that you are here. Hello.
Hi, Safina.
Hi. So you were a participant in one of my drawing courses, and you are now a member in my Drawing Academy Animal Art Club.
Yes. Yeah.
Hi, and thank you for your time today. I want to ask you some questions about Animal Art Club here. So, my first question is, who are you? Where are you from? Can you tell us some words about yourself?
Yeah. So I'm a 42-year-old stay-at-home mom. Um, and I moved from the United States to Denmark 16 years ago to be with my husband. And it's really difficult to find work here if you're not Danish.
Yeah,
Like really hard, especially if you don't have like a full education.
yeah.
So, because I finished high school and I have some college, but I didn't go to university. And yeah. So I've been stay-at-home mom for the last 15 years.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So where can you tell us a little bit where were you with your art situation before you joined the club, or where what was your art life look like before?
So I have had an on again and off again relationship with art for the last 40 years.
Yeah.
I was huge into art in high school, then I stopped for a while, and then I was buying lots of art supplies and books and things to use them and never actually got around to it
Okay.
because I was scared, I think.
Yeah.
And then a few I want to say just a couple days after I signed up for your first workshop that I did, which was the one with the big cat face.
Yes.
Um, I actually tried to draw a picture of my cat.
Hmm.
And I was like, I cannot take this course. I cannot do this. This is not going to work.
Yes.
Because it was this.
Yes. Okay. I can see it. Yes. A total
And
style.
and then just a couple days after, I started the workshop for this one.
Yes. It's great to
And I was so shocked at how the explanations that you gave us made it so much easier for me to get out of my head
yeah.
and do it.
Yeah.
It just made it so much like the clarification was so helpful.
I really enjoy that.
And this was an epiphany for me. And this picture of my cat was literally just days before I started that workshop.
That's amazing. Yes.
So that is such a huge difference.
So
And
my
also,
drawing, yeah.
so
So
yeah.
my drawing lessons really moved you from one stage to another, to a more further advanced stage. So you really, the lessons helped you to understand how to do, right?
A lot,
Yeah.
so much. And it's not even just in pastels. I can use everything that you've taught me in pastels
Yeah,
and over to oil pastels, over to watercolor,
of course. Yeah.
um, over to colored pencil. And I've been having so much fun exploring all these mediums.
Great.
Like it just opened a door for me, and it's amazing.
Great. So I really, really love that. What are now the three things you like best in Animal Art Club? So you are now a member. What are the three things you like best at the moment?
So I like that there's clear instructions
Mhm.
and I can take my time. I like that the color choices are already made for me. So if I'm not doing a commission, I can work on one of those. And I don't have to think about what colors I need to pick. I can just draw and feel
Yeah.
like I've accomplished something. And then there's the fact that you are open for questions.
Mhm.
You are open to give us answers if we have questions or if we need help with something or if we're struggling with something. And then we have those phone calls a couple times a month. Those are so helpful because if you're feeling like you're stuck, there's always that phone call to look forward to. Is like, I know I can ask Sabina when we get to that point.
Yeah. So
Those are like my three top things, I think.
great. So you love that accountability and also this connection with me, the live Zoom calls, asking questions.
Yeah.
Yes, I really love to hear that because it's a great goal for me. This helping people to moving forward, not to stay stuck, and also this community feeling. And
Hmm.
thank you for that feedback. So you were So you did not know how to improve your art before. Where are you now with your animal art at the moment after doing lessons?
I will show you. I'm holding on to it because the people are waiting to come pick it up, so they can take it to a framer. But I just sold this.
Great, amazing! I love to see that.
And so this was, and this is just out of my head. I didn't even use a reference photo, so I was like, yes. So I think I'm getting somewhere doing stuff with the art that I'm doing. I've also been doing a lot of watercolors now as well, and some oil pastels. So I'm kind of all over the place, but I'm enjoying it.
Because you're much more confident now. Yes, great. So you want to sell your art and you're taking commissions, right? Or selling?
Yeah. I have taken 4 commissions for 2 dogs and 2 cats.
Cool.
And then I've done a couple of stuff on my own. So
great. So I love that, to see that participants in Animal Art Club also start their own art business, even if it's a side hustle at the moment, but it can grow. I really love that.
Yeah, I'm waiting until after I'm giving myself 1 more year where I'm learning and things before I press on and say like, okay, now I'm going all in. Because I still have a daughter in elementary school, so I just want to give her time to get done, so I have time.
Yes, that's cool. So that's a great goal also, to have something to look forward the next year then. And yes, go for it. Great, thank you. So what would you say to somebody who is thinking about joining Animal Art Club?
I would tell them that if they're on the fence, to go for it. You don't just teach us about pastels and drawing basic stuff. You're teaching us confidence and art, and there's improvement. And the more we do, the better we get. And we can actually see that improvement when we're doing those things. So I would tell anyone that's on the fence to just do it.
Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you for being a member in Animal Art Club. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.
See you soon. Bye.